If you want to scan a document on iPhone 17, then you have two pretty similar ways of doing so. For example, we can go to the Files app. Now we're going to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find Scan Documents. Once you open this option, you can simply make sure that the whole document is covered, and your iPhone will automatically take the photo and scan the document. You can tap on the scan in order to take a look at it. You can also adjust it if you want to, apply filters, rotate, or delete the take. You can also retake the page if you want to. And if you go back, you can just keep going and scan the next page and so on and so forth. And once you are done, you can press this check in the upper right corner. Then over here, we can save our document. I'm just going to press save in the upper right corner, and you should be able to find your scanned document over here. And the second method is by using the Notes app. So once you have notes visible in the home screen, for example, you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then we have Scan a Document. There we go, and it works pretty much the same way. There we go. And we can just keep going and so on and so forth. Everything is the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.